हाय फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं स्टोरी यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ। अ फ्लॉक ऑफ pigeons flew in the sky. They saw rice on the ground nearby. Oh no, we are trapped, they cried with fear. What do we do now? Everyone, please come near. The queen pigeon said, don't be sad. We will fly together. It won't be bad. We will work as one and save the day. We will find a way to fly away. A mouse came with his friends so small to cut the net and help them all. The pigeons thanked the mice and flew up in the sky, happy and new. They scared with joy. What a happy day! Thank you, they said and flew away. So ये हमारी स्टोरी है यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ। अब आप सुनाइए।
Unity is strength. The flock of pigeons flew in the sky.
Loudly.
They saw sunlight and on the ground nearby. Oh no, we are trapped in sky with fear. What do you do now? Everyone, please come here. The queen pigeon said, don't be sad. We will fly together. It won't be bad. We will work as one and save the day. We will find a day to fly away. The mouse came with thanks so small, they cut the net and helped them all. Pigeon thanked mouse and flew up in the sky, happy and new. They sat in joy. What a happy day!
Scared with joy.
What a happy day! Thank you, they said and flew away.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.